Today let's discuss about the cell tree. Cell consists of cell wall and what? Protoplast. Next is the protoplast that contains plasma membrane and protoplasm. And the protoplasm again contains cytoplasm and nucleus. And now let's discuss about the nucleus. It contains the nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, chromatin and nucleolus. Now let's discuss about the cytoplasm in detail. The cytoplasm has the parts organelle. Next one is the inclusions, and next is the cytosol. Talking about the organelle structure without membrane. First of all, let's discuss about the organelle without membrane. Without membrane organelles are ribosomes, centrioles, microfilaments, microtubules, nucleolus, etc. Microfilament and microtubules are collectively called as cytoskeleton. Take care of this. And the organelle bounded by the single unit membrane. Organelle bound with the single unit membrane. They are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, vacuoles, likewise microbodies. Microbodies include lysosome, peroxisome, glyoxysomes and spirosome. Organelle bounded by the double membrane bounded, that are plastids and mitochondria. And the organelle bounded by the triple membrane are transosomes. And the transosomes are found in ovarian follicle of bud. Now the next is the inclusions. So let's talk about it. It includes like the excretory substances like that of glucosides, tannins, gum, resins, etc. Likewise the secretory substances like coloring matter, enzymes, nectar, etc. And the reserve food like carbohydrate, protein, fats, etc. Now let's talk about the three terms that are protoplasm, cytoplasm